The first time ni twaigua Karen NYAMU agitariria uria hoyagira SAMIDOH niguo Ngai akorwo agiteithia SAMIDOH o ta uria EDDAY ahoyagira kihiko na family yake na SAMIDOH. To this point we know EDDAY ndaracoka bururi-ini after Bani Saroni shared videos cia ciana cia EDDAY ikijoin cukuru kuria USA. Karen aingirire nenda-ini ciake cia ukinyaniria kuria korirwo agicokia ciuria cia fans na akorwo akiuga God works in mysterious ways, kuona Ngai ni acokagia mahoya, akiuga maita maingi arariragira Ngai akienda relationship ino yake na SAMIDOH work for the sake of her 2 children with SAMIDOH, na the same way EDDAY arariragira Ngai athondeke family yake. Karen akiuga Ngai ni arokire na aracokia mahoya make. She admitted that she is happy after EDDAY kumutigira SAMIDOH, but akauga ti mukenu at the same time tondu kuri mundu utanakorwo akiona kiria arendaga after that. Ndebu tukorwo tugithikiriria what Karen NYAMU aragikorwo akiuga.
Watoto wamejoin shule USA. Au ni watoto wetu. You know, God works in mysterious ways, Najua mimi kuna vile nilikuwa naomba, naambia God, you know, God, you gave me children, beautiful children. Their dad loves them. He has other children he loves very much. He has another woman he loves her very much. So nilikuwa naambia tu God handle your situation. Back off. Nilikuwa naambia handle your situation. And I'm crying from my heart. Maybe also the other woman crying to God from her heart. Sasa Mungu in his wisdom, sababu wamekingi mistake, you know, ogopa Mungu. Mungu upanga mambo yake, anaipanga vizuri. So we're just hoping for the best. We're hoping things work out for both parties. We're hoping hatuja give up. We haven't given up. Still praying things will work out for both sides, because hakuna raha, there's no joy in there's no joy in it. As much as sawa nipo nasikia vizuri, mimi watoto wangu wako na baba, I'm with the man I love, nasikia vizuri, but it's not si vizuri sana kama vile ingekuwa kwa both sides, unaona. But we're all believers.